So you want to show or hide something without deleting it. That's where set visibility comes into play. And I'm following from our previous tutorial where I showed you remove from parent, how to use it. So this time around, I'm not going to take the reference pin directly from here. So I'm going to take execution pin from here and promote it to variable for reference purpose. And I'm going to name it our visit like this. Now I'm going to connect it between the add to viewport and the create widget box like this, and it will work as our reference from now on. Now moving forward, I'm going to remove from parent because we don't need it this time. We are going to make it visible and invisible by using a node which I already told you about, which is set visibility. And to get it this time around, I'm going to take the reference our visit like this, get it, and I will type set visibility, yes, and you will get a node like this where at the start I'm gonna make it invisible because or hidden because it is visible from the beginning when we are adding it to viewport, and we will take a delay of around 5.5 seconds. Then again I'm gonna set visibility, but you see we don't have it here because we have to take a reference from behind like this. Yeah, as you can see, we are taking the reference from our visit variable like this, and we will put it this time visible. So every zero point 0.5 second it will make it visible, and every 0.5 second it will make it hidden. So it will do the same as we did in the last tutorial, but the last time we were removing it completely again and again. This time it is just getting hidden and visible. Now it's perfect for stamina bars that only appear when running, hints that fade in, fade out, or developer debug. UI set visibility is for temporary silence, not permanent removal. And as you can see on the screen as well, how beautifully it's working. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.